Temperature and humidity sensor is an electronic device that measures, detects, and reports both ambient temperature and wetness at a cheap cost. The ratio of the maximum quantity of moisture at a given air temperature to the overall amount of moisture. Temperature and humidity sensor on the market normally measure the air temperature and relative humidity, then convert it into electric signal. It is one of the most significant tools in a specific place, particularly in a data center or server room. Has been widely used in consumer, industrial, biomedical, and environmental applications. Temperature and humidity measurements are critical in most sectors since they contribute to the safety of all vital equipment that might have an impact to the entire operation. A humidity and temperature sensor such as the DHT11 is used to measure the relative humidity and temperature in a specific environment.
So the component that we use, 12-volt cooling fan, LCD display I2C, relay module. For temperature and humidity sensor, we use DHT11, power jack, 9-volt battery, battery snap connector, adapter, and Arduino Mega.
For this project, firstly for LCD I2C, we connect the ground to the ground, VCC to the 5-volt pin, SDA to the 20 pin, SCL to the 21 pin at the communication. Next, we have temperature and humidity sensor, which is DHT11. We connect the ground to the ground, data to the pin number 2, and VCC to the pin number 3 at the PWM. Next, we have relay. We put the VCC to the 3.3 volt pin, ground to the ground, and lastly input we put at the pin number 4 at PWM. And at the bottom of the relay we have a communication and normally closed section. We put the communication, we put for the positive at the cooling fan, and for the negative cooling fan we connect it to the adapter jack, power adapter jack. And for the communication positive for the fan, we put it at the communication at the relay.
conclusion, the temperature control fan sensor is a useful sensor for automatically cooling the place to make sure it is always in a good condition. It helps the user to make work easier as they do not need to control the place manually. It is a simple device to operate just by plugging in the adapter to the socket and turning on the switch. This sensor is widely used nowadays to protect some places from something bad. Its compact size and affordable make it an ideal solution for a variety of applications. With the ability to detect the temperature and help it cool automatically, this temperature control sensor provides peace of mind, facilitates people's affairs, and increase the level of safety in a place.